Hello, my friends. This is Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions, and I thank you for your time. This month, I'm going to focus on sharing steps to building a successful youth development program in your community. The first step in the process is describe the issues youth face in your community. Again, describe the issues youth face in your community. And you can go ahead and describe those issues in the comments so that I can respond. This is a part of the Help Youth Thrive audio podcast series that I've started to share the steps required to build a successful youth development program in your community. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.